In today's video, I'll share with you 5 lucrative ways to make money as a teenager. Even if you're not a teenager, you can take advantage of these amazing opportunities. I know that finding ways to make money as a teenager without a traditional job can be both challenging and exciting. So whether you're saving up money for a special purchase, maybe you want to buy a car, you want to buy your own first property, or you're looking to gain financial independence, or you just want to explore your entrepreneurial skills, guess what? There are plenty of opportunities available to earn income. And you know what? The digital age presents teenagers with access to a wide range of creative avenues that can help them generate income and achieve their financial goals. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best ways to make money as a teenager. And like I said, even if you're a stay-at-home mom or you're not a teenager, if you don't have a job, I will provide you with inspiration and guidance to embark on your own money-making journey. So get ready for that journey. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and all of my Patreon members. Thank you. I can't even thank you guys enough. Thank you for the love. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Yes, if you'd like to join my Patreon membership, my Patreon community is an exclusive community of top-notch people like you. Go ahead and find the link in the description and the comments. When you join my Patreon membership, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. Yes, so come with me. Let's go. I'm not sure I introduced myself. Oh, I'm sorry. While you're introducing yourselves, please introduce yourself if you're new here. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a content creator here on YouTube. Come to this channel every single day. You'll find something valuable for you. Yes, so I said so. And make sure that you join the family. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, click on the like. Anytime you tune in to watch my videos, please, for the love of God, Biko, like the video. First and foremost, always like my videos and then do well to share with your friends. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go.
Mariam Adepaju.
Guys, do you know that one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online as a teenager without a job is through the use of online earning websites? Now, these platforms offer simple tasks that can be completed without any specialized skills. Yes, so while some of these websites may have high competition, there are also lesser known platforms that offer hidden opportunities to make money. So when you explore these secret websites to make money, you can discover potential income streams that are often overlooked by other people. Now, these online earning platforms provide a variety of tasks, to choose from, like taking surveys, critiquing videos. Yes, you can criticize videos and make money from it. You can also test websites and so much more. For you to maximize your earnings, it is important to choose the platforms that align with your interests and your financial need. Yes, so another way to make money is to earn with mobile apps. Now, you're probably addicted to your phone like most other teenagers. Making money with it is actually a brilliant idea. Yes, so rather than just press that phone from morning till night and not make anything out of it, making money is such a fantastic idea. The use of mobile apps is one of the best ways to actually do this. Now, legitimate mobile apps that offer online earning opportunities provide teenagers without a job with a free and efficient way to make money online. Whether you're 13 years old or 14, 15, or even 17 years old, you can earn by using these apps. These apps offer cash rewards for completing simple and enjoyable tasks like listening to music, watching videos. You can get paid to listen to music. You can get paid to watch videos. You can get paid to shop online. What is even more remarkable is that some apps will pay you for sharing your unused internet data. Have you heard that one before? It's as simple as installing these apps on your phone and letting them run in the background while you go about your daily activities. To get started, what you need to do is check out some of the best apps to make some extra income. Another way to make money is to become a freelancer. Yes, so freelancing offers a career path that grants you the freedom to choose your clients, set your own working hours, and determine your rates for the services that you provide. It is a lucrative opportunity for young adults with a specific skill set to earn money without a traditional job. Now, the beauty of freelancing is that even if you lack specific skills or experience, there are still plenty of easy services that you can offer to make money online as a teenager. Now, there are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. They have gained popularity and they provide a wide array of opportunities for freelancers to connect with both local and international clients and businesses. Yes, so do you know that you can also answer questions online and make money? I know you don't know. Now you know. As a teenager, chances are you possess valuable knowledge in a particular subject, and you can monetize it by answering questions online. There are numerous websites and apps that connect users with experts in academic fields and offering payments for each question answered. Even if you don't consider yourself an expert in any specific area, you can still earn money by selling your previously answered questions. Yes, your assignment, you can sell your assignments. Yes, you can sell your class notes on various platforms. Now, these platforms provide an opportunity to leverage your existing work and earn an income from it. There are several highly reputable platforms available that you can sell. You can pay to answer questions or sell your previous school materials. These platforms can be a great starting point for teenagers looking to earn money while sharing their expertise. By utilizing your knowledge and providing valuable assistance, you not only earn money, but you also help other teenagers seeking answers in different subjects. Another way to make money is by selling your photos. Guys, do you know that selling photos can be a great way for teenagers with a passion for photography to make money without the job? You don't have to sell your own personal picture. You can take pictures of landscapes, of different locations and sell them online. Yes, so do you know that selling photos can be a great way for teenagers with a passion for photography to make money without a job? There's increased demand, yes, for high quality stock images. You can capitalize on this, to make a lot of money by selling photos on reputable apps and websites. For you to thrive in this venture, it is important to, of course, have a camera and a keen eye. Even if you don't have a camera, you can start with your phone. You must have a keen eye for capturing moments, unique and captivating images that stand out from the competition. You also need to pay attention to detail and master composition that will help you create photos that resonate with potential buyers. Make sure that you stay updated with current market trends and understand what types of images are in high demand. Yes, that is also very crucial. And by aligning your photography with popular themes and subjects, guess what? You can increase your chances of selling your work and generating income. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confused that you can make money from the comfort of your home, whether you are 13, 14, you're a teenager or a stay-at-home mom, or you're just someone that has no job, or you want to augment your current income. Guys, they are so, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. There are so many websites where you can make money that you're not looking. I mean, I see a lot of people watch videos, for free. They just watch videos, they spend their time watching videos. Do you know you can get paid to watch videos? Yes, you can actually get paid to watch videos online. Don't sleep on all these amazing opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. G Masun. And yes, in case you have not introduced yourselves, please go ahead and do that right now. Introduce yourselves in the comments, and thank you once again for watching this video all the way to this point. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Please let me know in the comments so I can say a big thank you to them. If you're a returning subscriber to this channel, thank you. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you for all that you do. I see you. I see the love, man. I feel the love, man. Thank you. If you'd like to join my exclusive Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. Studies, education. Yes, so we can discuss everything and anything as a Patreon member. Find the link to join my Patreon community in the description as well as in the comments. And that is it, guys, for today. And in case you're seeing me for the first time, did I even introduce myself? My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. The reason why I like to introduce myself is because when I watch any YouTube video, I want to know the person. Who is this person behind the camera? I don't just want you to talk without introducing yourself. That's why I always introduce in case I find there are people like me, maybe one or two of my audiences, they want to know who is behind the camera. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. Miriam Adikpochen. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, make sure that you tune in to watch this channel every single day because I always have something new for everyone. Yes, so without further ado, let me leave you guys to go try all these strategies that I've shared with you in today's video. And of course, I will see you in my next video. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 secret websites no one is talking about in my next video. Make sure that you turn on notification bells on this channel so that you get notified once that video drops. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. God bless you.